My name is Ben McGowan. I'm the Managing Director of Indigo Power, and we call ourselves a community energy company. So the Beechworth Jail here today, we're launching a 30 kilowatt community owned solar power system, and it's going to be the first in northeast Victoria. So the old Beechworth Jail is a social enterprise. It's trying to create rural development, rural entrepreneurship, and we're going to be able to supply 55% of its power usage with community-owned renewable energy, which is a fantastic story. This is going to be a clean energy site, which is really exciting, and that's a wonderful feeling to deliver that service to the old Beechworth Jail. Really exciting. It's exciting, I think, for us. It's exciting for the old Beechworth Jail itself, and it's exciting for the businesses that are starting to set up in this complex. So we all get to benefit from that clean energy and a little bit cheaper energy as well. This project's important in a lot of different ways, and it's really important, I think, to the community energy groups in the area. It gives community ownership of renewable energy, so the community is able to benefit from the renewable energy boom that's beginning to happen, and that's really important. Indigo Power is really focused on ensuring that there's not only economic development in our region, but also that part of that benefit goes back to the community as well, which is an important part of what we do. The really exciting thing is the renewable energy that's going to be generated over the next 25 years here at the old Beechworth Jail, and this model that's going to ensure that there's going to be lots more renewable energy that the community can begin to roll out right across the region, and that renewable energy story, clean energy story, is one of the most exciting things about it.